Hello everyone and welcome on De Papier de Rêve channel. I'm Ursula and today I will be painting with you some greeting cards, but abstract greeting cards. Last week I was painting very traditional greeting cards, but this week I want something a little bit different with an abstract theme, still festive with some gold and silver, but abstract, easy and nice to look at. And for the silver and gold color, I'm using a very specific pigment from Schmincke. It's called Aqua bronze, and it's just powder, in fact, metallic powder, and it makes some beautiful metallic stain on the paper, and it's a very interesting color. It's quite easy to use. Either you can spread it on the paper directly and wet it like I'm doing right now with a spray bottle, or you can mix it in your palette in order to have a nice fluid metallic paint. The only thing to pay attention at is to wet this pigment very thoroughly, because if it's stay in a powder state, it will not stay on the paper. And while this paint is wet, it's quite stunning to look at, because it's floating weirdly on top of the water, and it's very mesmerizing. And now I will let you enjoy this video, and I will come back for the supply list. For this painting, I've used a silver brush black velvet, a 1/4 inch in a dagger shape, and a Raphaël petit gris 903 number 12, an Escoda Último number 8, and a palette knife, and I don't know the brand of this one particularly, I'm sorry. For the color, I've used Indigo, Ultramarine blue, Quinacridone gold, permanent alizarine crimson, and Quinacridone burnt scarlet. And for the extra colors, I've used Iridescent shimmer, Iridescent copper, Aqua bronze in pale gold, and Aqua bronze in silver. And for the paper, I've used the same as last week, Saunders Waterford in rough. And now I'm just adding some details on my greeting cards. I'm not very focused on painting something. I just want to make the silver and gold pop a little bit more, and I let myself flow with what I see on the paper. And that's it. I got 3 new greeting cards, interesting to see, festive with this metallic color, and very easy to do. You should give it a try, it's really easy. This video is now ending, thanks for watching, I hope you like it. Please check the blog post to see more details on these greeting cards, and tell me what you think about this video in the comment below. See you soon!